Hey, I would like to uh, doing demonstration for the project uh, using port NRF 702DK. The theme of this project is home gardening using Matter device. So what we are going to achieve here is something like home garden monitoring by measuring the soil measurement, right? Using our soil sensor to be able to detect the capacity of the soil's measurements, and the sensor measurement will be read using will be read by analog to digital converter here, and will be converted to digital value. And then after the analog to digital ADC convert its value and will be stored inside of the Matter momentary memory, and then will be kept and will be read by Chiptools to get its data. So here right now, instead of the monitor, right? So basically first we need to do pairing. Okay, good. Let's do the pairing. Now we open our terminal, right? We already have the Chiptool in our Linux. So yeah, we need to pairing using this command Chiptool debug pairing BLE Wi-Fi. Okay, and so we can see here the device is pairing between Chiptool and our board. Hopefully it's connected in one trial, because usually we need to try like twice or 3 times. Okay, seems like we got our device in Chiptool paired properly. So yeah, we can, since I inherited from the default example, we can try to run first on off toggle the LED on our board. Okay, see, it seems it's the LEDs right now. Let me. Okay, seems that our board is the LED is up. So let's try to read. Okay, let's check our sensor read. First, we can utilize the push button to read our sensor value. Okay, right now it's sending our sensor value is or the ADC value is 909 millivolt. Seems that yeah, it's under voltage. Let's check again. So let's on off our sensor so we can get value. Okay, now our sensor showing 1016, but if millivolt, right? So but seems that the conversion is not correctly decoded. So yeah, forgot this. So let's, if we have another value, so let's put our sensor like this. Yeah, we got 118 or 192. Yeah. And so we got 1117. Okay. First, I think I need to recalculate the conversions value so we can get the actual sensor value. Okay. Okay, right now we got the right conversion from our sensor to our board. So here is the result. So basically I need to configure how to convert the value back to unsigned integer. So yeah, right now let us press the button, and then yeah, seems that we have another value. Well, actually the lower of the value the better is the soil conditions. Let us check. 71, right? 50, right? If we pull like something like this, so our sensor value will be increased a bit, right? Okay. Okay, well, we got right now our sensor value, and then we need to read our sensor, this sensor file, sensor value from the Chiptool. So let's try. Okay, right now we will try to read our sensor value from matter device, and we need to read it from the Chiptool. So here is already running the command, right? So we need to run this one, cluster level control option with read, and we state the option, the parameter current level with the end device number and the endpoint number. So okay, let's try. So as you can see, right, if you scroll up, it will sending that data value to 64. Oh man, Facebook. Oh man, that better camera. Okay. The data that we get from the endpoint one with cluster number 8, level control, and then we got our data 64. Let's prove whether we got the same result as the ADC read. Oh, we got 65 and 63. Let's read again from the tools. Okay, what we get? Yeah, 65. We get our data sensor data value to 60. So in order to simplify, so basically this one is raw data, so we don't need all of this data. So we need to prepare one script to parse all of the data. We need only this 95 data. So I prepare a script, a simple bash script called home garden check. So basically it will parse the unwanted data from the debug, right? From debug result. So we only need the sensor data. So let's try to run sensor value. So we got soil sensor value 65 again. Okay, let's try to change to maybe another value if we get a different result. Okay. 65. Let's check. Should be 73. Yeah, we got 73. Oh, it seems okay. O2. Okay. So basically we get our result. So basically we are successfully developing home garden monitoring, simple home garden monitoring using Matter device and the Chiptool. So let me now explain shortly the code that I developed. So basically I create new module here called ADC, or analog to digital app. So basically in this ADC we will run the analog to digital conversions. So first we can call the ADC test all of the analog to digital converter input from the board, and here is how we initialize the sensor, right? And then how do we read the sensor value, right? And then we doing the conversions sent to the Chiptools. Okay, so you can find in this complete code in the GitHub, and this is the headers file. So yeah, we need to also initialize the sensor instead of the app task CPP, right? And we insert the data, right? Measurement data inside of the level control. Yeah, clusters. Okay. That's all of the project result of this contest. So basically, if you want to automatically read just put this shell script right at the automatic read the Linux. It will be run automatically, and you can monitoring your soil sensor measurement. Okay, thank you. That's all. Thank you.